People, so this is how I like to spend time with my little superstar, and as you can see he's very busy. There used to be one baby rabbit who would come and lick us. Now the other three are here. Oh yeah, other three are here. So this is one of those relaxed videos one makes, and my superstar is here. Aish, you want to say something?
Happy birthday to somebody whose birthday is today.
Okay. So I just went for this, what's it called? That the Van Gogh experience. It was good, really. And then that event is going to be there till May 5th, after which it will move. And at 14.99 a ticket, it is on the expensive side, but as an experience, for a one-time experience, it's worth it. So right now I'm going crazy with this. They are all busy, so even I need to get busy. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. See, my superstar is right here. You should also come into the frame. These are my superstars.